how to play and record with outer camera, mask and mirror screen option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So after click on advanced features, so scroll down and click on Galaxy Avatar and click on Avatar camera. So after click on Avatar camera, so back camera, so you will see. So click on mirror. So after click on mirror, so you will see. And just click and hold. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can play and record with avatar camera, mask, mirror and screen option on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.